Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Alfa Romeo Stelvio 2018 and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the windshield washer indicator. So let's get started. As you see, the windshield washer fluid indicator is on right here and I refilled the reservoir, but it's still indicating that the fluid is low. So let's check out what's happening. Alright, so right here when you open the hood, I was checking the lines right here. These are the fluid lines. So this one is broken right here. I was trying to search this sensor on the website and I couldn't find it by itself. It comes with the whole hose and the wiper arm. When you look closer, you will see that it has two filaments inside the hose. So that's the reason why this part doesn't come individually by itself. So you're gonna get everything. The wiper arm with the hose and the sensor. So I bought it on eBay. This is how it comes. This is the wiper arm. It comes the arm with the hose attached to it and this sensor here at the end. Here is this number 505-66906. Let's install the new wiper arm. Let's disconnect this sensor. Just press here and pull it off. Let's disconnect the washer fluid line. Just like this. Just have to turn it off. Turn it like this and it gets open by itself. Let's take away the hose right here. Now we gotta take off this nut right here. Here we have the old one. Now let's get the new one. But let's change the wiper plate beforehand. We have to push this little square right here. Now let's put it on the new wiper arm. Now put this one in position. Right there. That's where it's supposed to start. So let's put back the nut. Okay, let's put this back. Let's connect the fluid line. Just right here. There we go. And now let's connect the sensor. There we go. Alright guys, this is how you replace this sensor. Now let's refill the washer fluid and let's see how it works. Alright guys, I just refilled the reservoir with windshield washer. So let's try it on. Okay, they're both working. So we're good to go. If you have liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.